Big week ahead. Earnings from Apple, Meta, and Amazon, plus critical economic data, are about to shake the markets. There's a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Last week, U.S. stocks staged a broad rally. The S&P 500 jumped 2.7%, Nasdaq gained 3%, and the Dow rose 2.2%. The rebound was fueled by cooling trade tensions after the White House softened its tariff stance, and by renewed confidence that Fed Chair Powell isn't going anywhere. Treasury yields stabilized between 4.0% and 4.5%, giving equities some breathing room. With April's lows now in the rearview mirror, traders are cautiously optimistic. But as always, the real test is ahead. Now, all eyes shift to big tech earnings. First up, Meta. Expected EPS is $5.20 on $41.4 billion revenue. Watch closely for trends in user engagement and any signs that global tariffs are impacting ad revenue. Then comes Amazon. They're projected to post a $1.36 EPS on $155.1 billion revenue. Commentary on supply chain pressures, especially with new tariffs looming, could really swing sentiment. And finally, Apple. The tech titan is expected to show a $1.61 EPS and $94.1 billion in revenue. Strong iPhone shipments and favorable currency moves might give them a nice edge. Beyond earnings, economic data is stacked. Wednesday brings the PCE price index, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, alongside Q1 GDP and the employment cost index. Then on Friday, we get the big one, April's non-farm payrolls report. Strong jobs numbers could delay potential Fed rate cuts, but weaker data, that could fast-track easing. Technically, the S&P 500 has rebounded about 10% from its April low, but we're still around 10% below the February highs. Key levels to watch: short-term support near 5,000 and resistance up around 5,200. Without a final trade deal or blockbuster earnings beats, expect some back-and-forth price action. Range-bound, but tradable. Buckle up, traders. Big earnings, big data, and plenty of market fireworks ahead. If you found this preview helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for real-time trading updates and insights all week long.